Hello everyone, my name is Fido and welcome to a quick and dirty CVR world tutorial. World creation tutorial, I should say. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to go to documentation.interactive or abinteractive.net CCK setup. Download the content creation kit. Download Unity. If you already have all that, disregard. Go to your community profile. Log into hub.abinteractive. Click on your profile. Go to your settings and scroll down. That's where you get your ABI Content Creation Master Kit. If you already have that, don't worry about it. You're good. Alright, now we go to our Unity Hub that we just installed from downloading. We're going to go ahead and open a new project. We're going to create a project name. We're going to say this is going to be Quick World. Alright, 3D Core, create project. As soon as it loads in, we'll get right back. Alright, projects in, go to assets. First thing you want to do, import new package, import custom package. Grab that CCK 3.4 that you just downloaded, open it up, import all of this. We'll get right back. Okay, now we've got the ABI CCK, should have Alpha Blend Interactive up here. Click on it, click Control Panel. Should bring up your username and your access key. I'm already logged in, I don't need to worry about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw this up here along with my other little hierarchy of stuff with the asset store. Asset store is great. If you don't like that little window, come back here. You can actually go to assetstore.unity.com. You can find plenty of shaders and textures for trees and stuff in your world. It's a wonderful resource. Some of it's paid, some of it's free. Go back to the scene. Go to our directional light. We're just going to want to move that a little bit. Alright, now we want to create a 3D object. First we want to create a plane. Okay, that's a nice plane. First we're gonna, and now what I like to do is go ahead and just kind of whoop, and that's the transform tool. It's all up here. Grab, move, rotate, scale, transform. Alright, so now we're gonna create a button because we're gonna put a mirror in this 3D object. Go to cube. Alright, nice little cube. I like to set my scale as 4 for the height, and 0.2, and 0.2. There we go. Scroll in, go back over to your move around thing, move it over to the edge, move it over to the edge, put it back on the edge, bring it up. Oh look, it casts a shadow. How about that? That's good. That's what you want. Bring it up till it's just barely through there. Okay, now we need a mirror, because like I said, we're going to put a mirror in this world. Go to your search bar here in your project, search, mirror. Okay, you've got this mirror here and this mirror here. You want this one here without the white thing. Just drag it over here in the hierarchy. There it is. Boom, there's your mirror. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing here. Why is there nothing here? Well, that's because it's facing the wrong direction. So you want to come over here on your y-axis. You want to rotate it 180 degrees. That's 189. There we go, 180 degrees. Now to scale this, I usually like to make it the same height as my button. So I want it as 4, not 40, 4. Then I want to go ahead and just make it 8 on the Z. And 8 on this. There we go. Then we're just gonna bring this over, bring it back, and bring it over. And I think we can just bring it back a little more and bring it down until it's just barely clipping through the world. There we go. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to take this cube that we had, highlight it, rename it as mirror button. Alright, now we got it as a mirror button, we're going to add it as a component. We're going to make it an interactable. Go to add component, search interactable, click on that. Alright, we've got an interactable. Our tooltip, we're going to say mirror button. We're going to add a trigger. Then we're going to say interact down. We want it to be local. And our distance, this is how far you can be before you are able to touch it. We're going to just go ahead and say 3. Sounds like a good number. 3 is a magic number, right? Now we're going to add an action. Now we're going to set game object active. It's already on there. Well, we have a target. We don't have a target. Well, we need a target. Our target is our mirror. We're going to put the mirror there. Okay. And state here, we're going to toggle it so we can toggle it on and off. That should be it. Now all we got to do, go back to the mirror, and we're going to unclick this checkbox right here. See the mirrors unclicking and reclicking? Okay, you want it to be not showing. It's fine. Now what we want to do, we've already got our light source here. That's fine. We should be good. There you go. You've got a mirror, you've got a button, you've got a plane. You can add stuff to it. You can add textures to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to CCK control panel. Down here, where is the thing for it? I like to grab my console and bring it down. Why is it? Oh, of course it's not, because we haven't added a world. So first we want to create empty. Now we want to add component. Now we want to search the word world. Now we want a CVR world. There we go. We've got a world. We can change the game object to world. Go back to our scene. And, oh, there we go. We want to make sure that wherever this is, it's sitting over the plane. I don't know why it didn't zero out over the plane. 0, 0, 0. There we go. Now we set everything to 0. Probably needs to come up a little bit though. Yeah, I usually like having my Y values at 1 on this, just so when you do spawn in, you're going to hit the world. So there we go. That should be everything. Now we can go to CCK. Now we can upload the world. Now once this all gets done, we'll come right back. Okay, and we're back. Now I like to go to console down here next to project, so I can actually bring this all the way down. I like to have my resolution at standalone, because that way you can actually read what all this is. If you're creating a world with a bunch of sus stuff, click on it for the sus stuff. If you don't, the mods will get mad at you. Go ahead and click to the next step. Name, quick world. Alright, description. It's a quick world. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the picture, go to your scene. There should be a shot cam for CCK. You simply go whoop, and there. You got a world. Go back to the CCK control, or go back to game. There you go. You see it? You can click replace image if you want. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Go to continue to next step. Yes, you own the stuff. Yes, you are legally able to upload it. Continue to next step, and here it goes. Bam, should be in. Now I need to launch Chillout VR. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and launch Chillout VR. Alright, so you're in Chillout VR. Now what you want to do, hit escape, so if you're on mouse and keyboard, otherwise just open your menu. Go to your worlds tab, go to my worlds, and you should have your world. There it is, quick world, details, create your own instance, create an instance, and join. Let's check on the world. And there you have it. Okay. I did not have the world thing facing the right direction, but all you have to do is rotate that after you create the world component. But you come over here, click on that, and it's a happy doggo. And there you go. You've got your first world, first little world. Hope you've all enjoyed. Hope it was nice and easy to follow, and I will see y'all later.